Hello and welcome back. This is final video about load balancers in Docker. It is internal load balancers in Docker. Here I'm going to explain you how VIP load balancer actually working. I know that it is just an overview. If you have clear understanding about how the things are working, no need to worry. It is just kind of summary. So if you look at the scenario, you have two services, one web service and another one is a database service. Web service is a front end. Here we have this front end, and then the back end is a database service. External access with the routing mesh. Web is configured with the Swarm routing mesh, which allow you to be accessible from outside the Docker Swarm cluster by using publish port. For Swarm routing to work, or for ingress routing to work, you have to publish the port. Without publishing port, it is not going to work. And if it is not going to work, then you will not get single point of contact. So here for web server, we have to publish the port. We publish this port, and for them, we use routing mesh. This enables the user to interact with the front-end web server via public IP address of the Docker host. But for internal communication, for database server, the story is different. We are not going to publish any port. We don't want to expose our database server. So we create a service without exposing port, and we use VIP. Web needs to store data in my database. Since the my database is also running in Docker Swarm cluster, it is assigned VIP by Docker Swarm. When web needs to store and retrieve the data, it sends request to VIP of my database. Docker Swarm uses VIP to route this request to the appropriate task of my database, distributing the load if there are multiple task handling requests. Docker Swarm's internal load balancing ensures that the traffic directed to the VIP of any database to the VIP of my database evenly distribute among all the tasks. So whenever any web application wants to contact with database, they will send traffic on a virtual IP, and then it will automatically distribute traffic between them. So this is all. Now we are going to clear the lab as well. Here we deploy two services and we are going to remove them. Okay. So how you can remove them? You can give command docker service ls, docker service rm my database, and then my web service. So done. If I'm giving command docker service ls here, I'm not getting anything, means everything is clear. Now you may have one question, right? That inside Docker we have both. Let's say that if you want to access service, you can use ingress routing and access this service over the internet. And to enable load balancing between the backend, we have virtual IP. So we have everything here. Now what is the requirement of external load balancer, right? Our next topic is external load balancer. First of all, I want you to understand internal load balancer that you completely understood. Now, next video, we will start with why we need external load balancer. Again, it is also required, but keep this in mind. Here we are going to do same purpose. We are going to solve same purpose, but using third-party tool. So if you understood internal load balancer, means you can easily understood you will easily understand external load balancer as well. You don't need to worry. I am with you. Thank you very much. Start your external load balancer videos as soon as possible. Goodbye.